For a moment I laid back क्योंकि it got me flashes in front of my eyes, losing a family member so close to my heart due to this condition. Got our junior resident, and he also left a different impact on me, on my mind, in taking the decision of choosing this branch in my future. People have told me that don't take surgery as a branch because your this nature, your this polite and soft spoken nature might go being surgery such a hectic branch. Surgery is a branch जो सबको पसंद नहीं आती, but I always got fascinated with the OTs, with the scrubs, and with the procedures I used to perform. Dr. Danu, an MBBS intern, and currently in my internship, which is about to end in 2.5 months, I guess. And of course, currently I am in my surgery postings. It is for 1.5 months. It is also gonna end. So it was a very hectic posting क्योंकि इससे पहले we were posted in community medicine, which was a dormant posting. On my Instagram that I'll post about the cases which touched my heart in the postings. Every posting has a different impact on me, and this posting surely has. अब वैसा टाइम था जब नीट पीजी के लिए भी प्रिपेयर करना था. तो when we entered, me and my co-intern, we were posted in Unit 3, which is considered as a unit in our college, the surgery department, कि हाँ बस एक ही यही unit है जिसमें काम होता है. And that time, yeah, sadly we were posted. A call day, and our unit was on call. It was, I guess, 1 or 2 a.m. in the morning. From my senior के ऐसे ऐसे एक patient है, you have to shift that into the ICU and get the blood transfused immediately because he requires blood transfusion. I did not know about the history of that patient. I just got a call and I got that patient transferred to the ICU from the trial. Blood release कराने के लिए I counseled the patient and then got the blood released. When I went back, by nursing staff that मैम इसकी ड्रेसिंग होनी है, एंड आई वॉज लाइक तब तक थोड़ी बहुत ड्रेसिंग सीख ली थी ऑफ द पोस्ट ऑफ पेशेंट्स, बट आई वॉज नॉट इन टू द ड्रेसिंग दैट मच क्योंकि मुझे डर लगता था पर्सनली कि कहीं कुछ हो ना जाए. कॉल टू माई जूनियर रेजिडेंट एंड ही वॉज लाइक कि ठीक है कर दे एंड कीप मी इन्फॉर्म्ड एंड लेट मी नो इफ यू हैव एनी डिफरेंट. आई सॉ दैट देयर वॉज दिस होल दुपट्टा wrapped around his neck which was completely blood stained, and I was like bhaiya what is the case. I got to know that this is carcinoma tongue patient with commando operation being operated upon, and I was suffering from, and that patient we got in triage was because of during chewing he got this complication that he started to bleed. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna do this. I told the nursing staff कि नहीं भैया, I'll call my senior and he'll come. He's like कि नहीं आप कर दो, then we'll get the blood transfused. At that moment I realized that I'm into this profession for not denying things. Of course I'll have to do it no matter what I felt in my personal life, and for my personal reasons I can't deny this. Then I had this nursing staff besides me, and he was constantly guiding me. I removed that one dupatta from his neck, and there was this white scarf around his neck which was completely blood stained again, and it was soaked. He was like, ma'am, we'll do it, hum kar lenge. He was guiding me constantly, and but there were my hands which were shivering.